talked about making it. I'm sorry that you never made it, and it pains me just to hear you have to say it. You knew the game and played it. It kills to know that you have been defeated. I see the wires pulling while you're breathing. You knew you had a reason. It killed you like diseases. I can hear it in your voice while you're speaking. You can't be treated, Mr. Know-it-all. That is rain and it's fall. At least that's what his brain is telling all.
If he said help me kill the president, I'd say he needs medicine. Sick of screaming, let us in. The wire's got the best of him. All that he invested in goes straight to hell, straight to hell. Straight to hell, straight to hell.
He told me I should take it in, listen to every word he's speaking. The wire's getting older, I can hear the way they're creaking as they're holding him. Well, I can see it in his jaw, that all he ever wanted was a job. It tells me to be raw, admits to every little flaw, that never let him sit upon the top. Won't tell me to stop, thinks that I should be a little cautious. Well, I can tell the wire's pulled.
If he said help me kill the president, I'd say he needs medicine. Sick of screaming, let us in. The wire's got the best of him. All that he invested in goes straight to hell, straight to hell. Straight to hell, straight to hell.
I'm having trouble in believing, and I just started seeing light at the beginning of the tunnel. But he tells me that I'm dreaming. When he talks, I hear his ghosts. Every word they say to me, I just pray the wires aren't coming.
If he said help me kill the president,